got built up.
Mhm. It's knowledge indeed, sir, but I also feel you have a knack for identifying good companies at the right valuation. I know that you look for companies that have economic moats, companies that are well governed. Beyond the balance sheet, is it something very instinctive that comes to you?
Yeah, see, basically, now I can say investing is about two things, good business and good management. If you get these two rights, I think 90-95% job is done. My approach is to understand the businessman. Business is known. What we don't know is who's the person behind. So when you meet him, is he a kind of a Formula One driver, or is he just another driver, or is he a complete novice?
Yes.
So you have to understand the competence of the entrepreneur, how passionate he is, what is his dream, what is the imagination of his business. That part is what excites me. And when I see that what he's planning is not there in the price, then that's where the price value gap starts coming. Basically, stock investing is about finding the gap between price and value. Then the game starts. Market is a funny place where you can buy 100 rupees thing for 10 rupees and you can sell 10 rupee thing for 100 rupees. Don't be too much reliant on the price for investing. Price is only to see what you think is the value. Is it above the value or below the value? Below it is, you go and buy. If it is above, then stay away.
So, we saw the IT cycle where there was a huge boom and investors who got into that cycle benefited. Then there was a chemical boom in the chemical space. Where do you think is the next multi-year upcycle then help as far as creation of wealth is concerned? Where do you think investors really should be looking from a long-term perspective, of course?
See, only later on you figure out that this was a cycle.
Yes.
But there's
It's
always
hindsight.
But I would say private banks, lenders, I think we are going to have a very strong banking cycle as the growth picks up for the economy. That looks to be one big area. Your insurance, your financialization of the entire savings space, that's a very large space. The sectors which have been hit more recently, like say automotive, they are coming back. IT itself, IT is the second largest industry of India in terms of profit pool. So tech is not to be undermined, and it has the biggest potential to make money. Right now, there is a kind of disappointment with the global recession and all, but that will throw an opportunity to really buy some interesting companies in next 1 or 2 years. Then the India story is building up. So in India story, you have infrastructure, you have cement, steel, contractors, engineering companies, consumer companies. India is a huge consumer market. Then on top of it, the real new one which is coming up is the digital companies. So they were expensive last year. So they have been beaten out of shape for some time right now. And a lot more companies are going to come in IPO market. So I think you'll have ample opportunity to look at.